Welcome to the channel. Today I want to discuss a new product that I got today. The Cardo Packtalk NEO. It's not the Edge, it's the NEO. This is, a few dollars cheaper than the Edge. $40, $50, something like that cheaper. It has all the same functions as the Edge. The only difference is you don't have the magnetic attachment. You can't charge while running. And that's about it, I think. Me and my brother bought these. We both bought a dual pack. As you know, we ride together and occasionally our wives ride together. So right now we have the Cardo Freecom 4s. All right. And this runs off of Bluetooth only. So in some of my videos, if it's just me and my brother, it works great. But if some of the videos with our wives in there, when we have four on this system, on the Freecom 4 system, you can hear some distortion. I get some cracks. I hear my own voice when I'm talking, So we decided to upgrade and go to this. Hopefully this will take care of the system, my issues. This runs on mesh, so we won't be running over Bluetooth. So hopefully that'll take care of my sound issues when all four of us are riding together. And it's also easier to connect that way. Once we connect once, then every time we turn them on and we're near each other, we'll be automatically connected. Let's open this up and see what we got. Nice blue box. Cardo. Dual pack. Instructions, pocket guide, yada yada. Before using your unit, download the Cardo app. I already have that on my phone, so I don't think I have to do anything. I'll probably just have to do updates. 2 quick pocket guides. Cardo. Sticker. And of course, all the stuff that you need to mount it. Okay, here's your wiring harness. The only other thing different with this is that this plugs in. You have to plug this in all the time. USB. Got your JBL speakers. Here's your mount. Boom mic. And all your attachment stuff. Okay? Same as any other thing. I'm not going to show you how to mount it into your helmet or anything like that, because we all know how that works. I just wanted to show you the unboxing for right now, and then because I don't know if I'm going to use my same old helmet or not. Right here. Thinking about getting a new helmet. I've had this for quite a few years now, so I may not mount it up to this. But I'm going to charge these up, see how they work, just because I just bought them. I want to make sure everything works fine. And then, well, it's winter time right now, so in the next season, riding season, when I have this on my helmet, we'll come back and show you how it works out, if it made any differences. So until then, peace.
Several months later.
Okay, it's been some time later since I first started this video. I have the Cardo NEO on. I didn't show the install. Everybody's seen multiple videos of people put them in helmets. You take the clip, you put it on, slide it in between your helmet and your padding here. You run your mic. I don't know if you can see. Run the mic right here. Okay. Put your speakers in the ear pockets, and then you run the wire. All right. So this is a little different than the Freecom 4. I don't know if you could see. Let me see. But there is a gap in here. This doesn't fit quite as well as the Freecom 4 did on my helmet. I did take it for a ride. You don't hear any whistling, I don't think. It stays on there pretty good. I don't think the battery life is as good as the Freecom 4. Well, I've only tested it once so far. But went on a 6-hour ride and my battery's already down to half. I've never, I've been on longer rides with the Freecom 4 and didn't use half of my battery. These Neos do pick up your voice better, because I was able to do a battery check by just voice command. Here's the clip.
Hey Cardo, battery status.
Battery status, 50%.
So that's pretty good. I like that aspect of the Neo. Let's see. Well, the Neo uses the new mesh. We used the Freecom 4s before, which was Bluetooth, all right? And it was great for just being my brother, but when we used all four of us were using Bluetooth, it kind of overwhelmed it a little bit, so it was getting some distortion. These Neos work great with the mesh. I like the mesh. Here's the clip when it sounds good.
Does it just say the last 10 minutes? Or isn't that what that...
It keeps recording up to 10 minutes, and then it just keeps, right? The last 10 minutes, right? I guess.
I can't remember how yours was. Was it before or after?
Well, it's counting up. It records. When I hit it, it's it records up to 10 minutes, and then it stays there at 10 minutes.
Oh, okay.
So it takes the last 10 minutes, I think, right?
Yes. I think I remember it saves the last 10 minutes.
Yeah. But if we're in a good conversation, whatever.
Okay. That's when it sounds good. But I'm having some issues, okay? And I don't know what it is. I'm going to have to test things out, whatever. I use an Insta360 camera. And I use the Rode Wireless Go 2. So I have another mic in here for me. And I have a mic sitting on one of the ear speakers for the Neo. Okay. I haven't had any issue with the Freecom 4 when it was running Bluetooth. But now I'm having an issue with these Neos. Only when the Rode is on. My brother sounds gargled sometimes. Sometimes he sounds good, okay. Sometimes he sounds gargled. I don't know if it's because this is running off the same frequency, 2.4 gigahertz, as the Neo. I did some testing. This is what it sounds like. Here's a clip.
What? I still didn't understand any of that.
Okay, do you see how gargled it was? It doesn't happen all the time, but it happens quite a bit. Now, we did some testing the other day. Shut off the Wireless Go 2 and just rode with just the Cardo. Perfect. No gargle unless we're out of range from each other. That's the only time. So I think this is interfering. Now I'm going to have to think of something. Also, I don't know. I started having this issue last year. I don't know if I have some issues in here, but there's some high-pitched squealing when he talks. It's not when I talk. So this works good. It's only when he talks. So I don't know if there's some wiring issue here or my mic issue on top of that speaker. But here's a clip of the high-pitched squeal when he talks.
This is 67. Or do you want to go farther up?
Don't we go into Stillwater?
I don't know. This is 67. 67 goes all the way up to 40.
Okay. So I have some issues. I got to do a little bit more testing. I do like how it sounds better. It sounds pretty good. Oh, you know what else is good? Here's a clip of when my wife called me. Phone call. Receiving a phone call on this Neo. Great. Clicked right over. Sounds perfect. My wife didn't even know that I was riding, on the motorcycle. Here's a clip.
Yep.
the bird feeders this morning, did you put any treats out for Gracie?
No.
Okay. All right.
How do you hear me? Am I coming over good?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, you sound actually better than in a car.
Okay. No, this is the new things.
Yeah. Are you riding?
Yes.
You can't even tell.
Yep. I just
you literally sound like you're talking on the phone.
We're getting ready to get on the Northway here, so.
Oh, okay.
But.
All right, I was just asking.
Okay.
All right. Have a good ride.
Yep. All right.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
You there?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, what do you think about that? Sounded pretty good, right? But anyway, there'll be a link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing the Neo. The only difference with the Neo is, and the Edge is that this one can't be charged while running. Okay? It's a little cheaper. But I got some kinks to work out. So I'm having a little bit of issues with the Neo, with the Cardo Neo and my Rode Wireless Go 2. Same frequency. So I'm gonna have to figure something out on here. I'm gonna have to play around with some stuff here. I don't know. And the high pitched squeal, but that might be some of my wiring in my helmet now with the extra mics. I don't know. I do like how it sounds better for the most part. I'll do some more testings and I'll get back to you later with what I find out for what I do. Okay? You know what to do. Hit all those buttons, all right? And leave me a comment below. Any of you out there use, the Cardo Neo or the Cardo Edge and use the Rode Wireless Go 2? Do you have any issues with it interfering with each other? Please leave it in the comments. I'd like to know. And what did you do to remedy the situation? Let me know. And hey, I'll get back to you guys later if I figure something out. All right? And yeah. See you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.